Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on VIVO V60E. Alright, we need to open up our settings. Now scroll all the way down until you find System Management, and now click on Backup and Restore. Click on Backup Data, and now first click on Photos and Videos and enable the backup option right in here on the top. Okay, and same thing with other device data. Make sure that it's enabled. Now down below we can see our Google account that we are currently logged into, and on that account, to be more precise, in the cloud of that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore your backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. Simply don't forget the mail and password to your account. Okay, if everything is enabled, we can click the Backup Now button. The process will start, so we need to wait a little bit. And in that place, a small circle should appear at any second, so let's wait until it appears. Sometimes it's taking a little bit longer, but everything will be okay. Okay, now in here this circle appeared and it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We'll see also a notification on the bottom under Other Device Data sentence, so I'll see you once it's done. Okay, we can see that under Other Device Data, we can see the confirmation that the backup has been successfully made 0 minutes ago, so everything went fine, and our backup is now stored in our cloud. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.